if you want to start your eBay business internationally, then this video will help you to get that key to open the door to international business. So stay with us till the end of this video. Hello everyone, this is your host Masoom from Ecom Clips, and in today's video we will show you a few simple steps to sell your products internationally with a single eBay account. Wait, what? With a single eBay account? Yes, you heard that right. You can sell your products internationally with a single eBay account. And for that, you don't need to have residency of those specific countries. And guess what? Even you don't need any VAT number for most of the countries, except the VAT number from your country registered with your identity. All you need to do is to follow 5 simple steps. So, no more delay, let's move on to our screen. First, you need to log into your existing eBay account. Now, go to the Seller Hub by clicking on this selling option. From this page, please turn your mouse on listings from the top menu and click on the active option from the drop-down menu. After, go to the Manage Active Listing page. You need to edit the URL on which country you want to list or sell your items, and then press enter. It will redirect you to the login interface. Now, all you need to do is put your password and sign in once again. Now, you can see the secondary account has been created and integrated with the main account. And from here, you can easily list and sell your items on both marketplaces with a single account. All you need to do is to change the URL as per the country on which you want to list or sell your items. So, this is how you can start your business internationally with a single eBay account. Hopefully, this video will help you to grow your business with eBay. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up, share to help others, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Ecom Clips. You can also visit our website www.ecomclips.com to know more about us. This is all for today. We will get back to you soon with another new video. Till then, stay safe.